Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guaranty RV Super Centers. Today I want to show you this 2018 Grand Design Imagine 2600 RB. So that's going to stand for a rear bath. So Grand Design's kind of a new company to the RV market, been around for 5 or 6 years, but I've heard they make a pretty good product, so I'm going to try to do my best explaining this one. All right, so you're gonna have 2 propane tanks here, your Smart Jack system by Lippert, which will help you get your tongue jack, your ball off of the tongue of your truck. One of the things that Grand Design's gonna do is a big storage area underneath the bed. So, I mean, you have a ton of room to fit a lot of stuff in there for your camping needs. Gonna have a power awning. This is a double axle coach. It's gonna be aluminum framed with fiberglass. So it's gonna have a wide entry into the door, heated and closed underbelly. So when we first come in to the left, you're gonna notice it's gonna have a big bathroom. So a big walk-in shower, room for a big guy like me to even move around. And then you're gonna have storage up above the sink and below, with a nice little window in the back and a fan up above. So one thing that they're doing is they've got the Thomas Paine reclining, they call these wall huggers. So these are heated, and then they have little lights for your cup holders at night so you can see. So as you're sitting in these chairs, you're gonna be able to have a good view of the TV. And then here's your Furrion system where you can run DVD, CD, USB. So lots of storage underneath, a couple of pull-outs here. It's gonna have a big Dometic freezer and fridge. And then you got a little bit more storage. And I believe they think this idea is for your pets. So you have food and water for the pets right in here. So a decent amount of counter space with a little flip up area to give you even more. Storage below for pots and pans. And then big pull out drawers and even more storage up above. Here's your U-shaped dinette. Now this table is freestanding. You can move it outside underneath the awning, so when you're camping, barbecuing, you'll be out there. As we walk into the bedroom area, queen bed, wardrobe on both sides with pull-out drawers, and storage up above. It's gonna have a fan in here to help circulate the air. Nice lighting. And then right over here, you're gonna see it's got already the TV backer arm, so you can put a TV on there and be able to twist it around so at night you can watch TV. If you have any questions on this 2600 RB by Grand Design, call Brandon Reagan at Guaranty RV, 541-214-0223. Have a great day.